we've got a note on the top, and I'm excited. Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays. I am a huge NSYNC fan, if you didn't know that. That's one of my favorite NSYNC songs. Anyway, Merry Christmas, guys. Happy holidays. I know that Christmas is coming, and I'm so excited because in today's video, I am opening up my mom box swap. Christmas mom box swap. At this very moment, I don't know who sent me my box. I had to mark out who it came from, so I never saw who it came from. My daughter's washing dishes currently, so you might hear her in the background. But, well, I have to say I am so thankful that Anna from over at Just Making It Work invited me and other wonderful YouTubers to join her for a Christmas mom box swap. And I haven't done one of these in over a year, so I thought it was time to join. And I was so blessed that she asked me to do this. So thank you, Anna, so much for organizing all this and getting this together. If you guys, my viewers, if you guys have not heard of Anna, oh my gosh, you guys have to go check her channel out. She's at Just Making It Work. She talks about mom life, and she's really, really good encouragement for people who are in the trenches. She talks about living with chronic illness. She has a large family. She also likes to just give you good tips and practical advice for dealing with the day-to-day chaos, living within that. So please go check her out and tell her I sent you and that I said hi. If you are new here and we haven't met yet, and you came here from someone else's channel, welcome. Hey, I'm Ashley W, and we are here at Joyful Noise Learning, where I love to talk about Charlotte Mason inspired homeschool, affordable homeschooling resources, and biblically based homeschool resources and tips and all those great things. So thank you for being here. Please consider subscribing if you haven't yet. And we are almost to 6K subscribers, I think. So I just can't believe that. That blows my mind. I remember when I was trying to get to 100, and then I remember when I was trying to get to 1,000. Like, these are all just blowing my mind. And you guys are awesome. And I'm so happy to be here and to be a part of the YouTubers of homeschoolers. No, I'm so happy to be a part of the homeschooling YouTubers community. So yay! Without further ado, let's get into this box. I think I'm ready to see what's in it, and I hope you are too. Oh, at the end of the video, last thing, watch till the end. I will tell you who I sent a box to, and then you'll have to go watch her video and watch her reaction to opening my box that I sent her. So yay! Okay, we've got a note on the top, and I'm excited. It's got a pretty bow. Okay, let's read a note here. Ashley, Merry Christmas, friend. I was so excited to get your name for this swap. You were such an encouragement and such a beacon of light to everyone in the homeschool community and to everyone who has the blessing of knowing you. I hope this box blesses you, brings you a little joy during the season. Yay, joy! We want joy in any season, right? Lots of love, Jamie Kite. Oh, thank you, Jamie. Thank you so much. Yay, thank you, Jamie. I'm so glad you sent me a box. I am honored to get a box from you. So I love following you, mostly on Instagram, but I know you're over here on YouTube too. Yay, I'm thankful I finally found out who had me. And this box has been sitting here for like a week, like waiting for me to open it. And it was teasing me. And let's see what I've got here. All right, we've got some vanilla cream latte. Oh, I've got some nice things in here coming. Some of my favorite. Yes, good choice. Good choice. Thanks, Jamie. Dark chocolate sea salt caramel. So let me know in the comments if it's caramel or caramel. Let me know what you guys say. Ooh, yes. Oh, yay. Look, some new eyeshadow. The blushed nudes. Okay, thank you. I am in need of some new eyeshadow. I was just putting on my eyeshadow today thinking, I'm tired of this eyeshadow. I need something new and fresh. So thank you. I'm so excited. Can't wait to use it. You'll definitely have to see it when I do my videos. That's usually when I put my makeup on, is when I do my videos. Or on Sunday when I go to church. Oh, for I know the plans, journal. Oh, very pretty. Ooh, it feels nice and smooth. Oh, thank you. I've been wanting to get into journaling again. So this is right on. This is right on. So I had a journal I was kind of writing in, but I didn't love it. So this, I really, it's really pretty and just simple, and can't wait to write in my journal here. Oh, another book. Woo! Yay! Mother Culture. I definitely don't have this one, and it's been on my list for so long. So for Happy Homeschool by Karen Andriola. So yes, I've been wanting to read this. Oh,
I can't wait. I'm so excited.
This is good for anyone in the Charlotte Mason community, but I think it's good for any mom. But reminding us that we are, learning and growing ourselves and not just teaching our kids. So let's see what it says. If mothers could learn to do for themselves what they do for their children, we would have happier households. And isn't that so true? I am so excited to dive into this. So yeah, this is definitely, I'm so excited. And just FYI, I'm not the typical Charlotte Mason mom. I don't crochet, I don't wear an apron, and I don't wear skirts every day. This is definitely not the typical me, but hey, I do aspire to have some of these great qualities that some of these women have. So, oh yes, yay! I don't have one of these printed out yet. So I've seen these circulating around Instagram, and I know Jamie has this awesome principle of daily affirmations of who Jesus says I am. These are all great. I've heard of this principle, and I haven't made it yet. So thank you, Jamie. I appreciate it. We'll definitely put this up in our little homeschool corner. Things like, I am loved by God. I am chosen by God. I am loved. I am wanted. I'm going to start crying now. I am purpose. Yes, these are all great things that we have through Jesus Christ. So guys, if you don't have one of these affirmation principles yet, I'll stick a link to Jamie's channel and her link to be able to download this, and you can get it for yourself. So thank you, Jamie. Thank you so much. Okay, now for the big reveal. Drum roll, please. Who did I send a box to? I sent a box to Tiffany over at Rod Pod Mama, or Rod Pod Homeschool. I think she's Rod Pod Mama on Instagram. Oh my gosh, I'm so thankful for Tiffany, and I'm so thankful I got to send her a box this year for Christmas and to be able to bless her and her beautiful family. So I'm gonna put a link to her channel. You need to go check out her if you have not seen her before. She has 3 beautiful children, and she's a fairly newer homeschool, and she's shares about her homeschooling journey. She also shares about some hair loss she's been talking about, I know, over on Instagram. And it's been a joy to watch her and her children grow. Oh, and Tiffany also, she's one of the big reasons that I'm a part of this YouTube community. She invited me to a collab a couple years ago, and it all just, went downhill from there, or uphill, I guess I would say. So I had kind of been just kind of floundering around, not really sure where I fit in YouTube community. And then she found me and invited me to Homeschool Mama collab. And then from there, I just like, oh, these are my people. This is like, you guys are my people. So I can name off so many of you, but Jamie is definitely one of them as well. So I'm so thankful for Tiffany and for Jamie and just for this community here on YouTube. So yes, please make sure you go subscribe to Jamie and Tiffany and check out their videos for this box swap. Subscribe to Anna. So many people you gotta subscribe to, you guys. And then there's a playlist below if you want to see all of the videos from this entire Christmas box swap. And that's all, guys. I hope you guys have a great Christmas. Merry Christmas to you all. And I will set it into all a good night. God bless us, everyone. I've been watching too many Christmas movies. Anyway, go find his joy among the noise, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.